Ka Sarkar Meghalaya kalapan mi ia ka Jingmaham patba hakaliang ka Koit ka Khiah hadin bala suba baladon kinyang Jingpang Meningococcal ha Shillong. Katanad Health and Family Welfare kalapin tikna bat lapan tip siya ka State Surveillance Unit bat ka District Surveillance Unit jong ka East Khas Hills kalasdang ia ka Jingtokit ka bating Halor ka Jingpang klam. Kibor penyat kidang penlong ya ka Jingtokit Halor ki kis ka Jingbudin ni ka Jingwat ya ki Nongpang ka Jingbishar ya ki Sample Laboratory bat ka Jingpenklan ya ki Lad Jingada bat ka Jingpetngor. Labatha ya ki Nongshong Shnong ba kindeng ya ki mas lada pim don ka met ka bakot ni hakijaka babun brio. Penne ya ki Jingkhoit Jingsuba jong ka Lintiyan kiar na ki jaka babun brio. Sat bhai ya ki ti man kapor. Bam ki Jimbam ki babyang par ki bataya kamen kinong shong shnong ki balamad ya ka jing thakli ka jing shet met ka bakansan ka jing sampre bat ka jing mi khai lakan tu bakin let mar sha ka jaka sumar ka bajantam ban yo ka jing sumar ka bakloy bat lakar pat ya ki patba bakim dei ban pinsa priang ya ki khubor ki ba om patikna lapin trikam ya u helpline number iwe saw iwe not na ka benta ki jing yarap ki bakirke
of a particular virus being reported from ARC. So as a health minister, so what sort of action are being taken by the department?
So just to brief you, these cases no doubt as of now they have, especially from the press release, from the events that they mentioned that two cases of death which happened. But this death, just to inform you and the public that it's not happened at the same time. So it's I think a matter of weeks or so. But after that, we have seen some symptoms, and then we have done some. Our team is there. They have taken the sample, and we have sent for the testing. We are awaiting for the report for confirmation. But as of now, they are doubting that it might be this meningococcal virus bacteria.
So are you looking to?
Any advisory has been issued by the health department?
No, as of now, no. We are in the process of doing now in a few moments from now. But we are at the same time also we are just waiting for the confirmatory report from that testing we have sent. So I think in few hours from now we will be giving the SOP and all.
So will you enforce containment areas in that particular defense place?
Like I said, because it's too early for me to say, because as of now, no doubt, those people who came in contact with those people, they are put in quarantine, and their condition is more or less okay. But like I said, it's too early for me to say. We are waiting for the confirmatory report, then only we'll give the SOP.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.